I have to remake this inner piece. So I got it started, but I'm probably gonna tack this in place where it needs to go, and then put that where that is, form it, tack it in place, cut the tacks off of this side, the car side, take this piece off, and then weld it together, put it back on, and then we'll weld all the way around. This gap's a little bit excessive towards this bottom, but I think it'll be alright. It's a little bit wider than I wanted, but regardless, I think this is going to work out. I'll have to clamp this down, kind of hammer this profile out to get it to follow the same curvature, and then most likely I'll end up trimming this to follow this line all the way up, and then we'll take another piece, weld it in, and then smooth it all out to make it look like it actually flows all as one piece. Okay, even closer. So I got it all welded up. Eventually I'm going to take a Dremel and finish making this a complete hole, just like that one. And then we'll add a piece. Got that piece attached to it. Now I just got to deal with these little dents that I put into it. So I'm going to try actually taking my TIG welder, just using a torch, just heating up this metal, try to get this to reform and basically puddle it together. And maybe I can smooth it out that way. I don't really want to grind it down to where those are gone, because I'm going to be left with very thin metal. So we'll try that, see how it works. So I put the aluminum backing on it, try to help absorb some of the heat so it doesn't warp. I'm probably just going to spend a couple seconds, just enough to form a puddle, and then stop, let it cool down, and then we'll keep going until we get at least most of the divots out. Alright, so I got these divots out, or at least majority of them. There's still a few inside. I think I'm probably going to wait to fix that. Right now I'm just going to trim this flange. I'm going to follow this curvature, and then we'll put some holes in it next. This thing sucks, huh? Add air pressure? No? We could turn the air pressure up. Alright, it's about 40 more PSI. Voila! So this thing took me like all day today. I think I woke up at 12 and started around 3 o'clock. And it is almost 1 o'clock, or no, 11:30. So I've pretty much been working on this all day. Feels like it's taking me forever. It's alright though. Get faster and faster, start figuring things out. The gaps that are tighter, I'm going with higher amperage and more wire speed. These bigger gaps, I'm doing the opposite, just so I don't blow through. The heat doesn't really have anywhere to go, and with a tighter gap I want to make sure I actually push the metal into it. All welded up. This thing turned out pretty good. I'm happy with it. Definitely better than I thought I was gonna do, to be completely honest. I'm still gonna profile this. We'll grind this down so it matches. Nice transition. And then I still want to work on this inside corner a little bit more too. we'll do that all later. I just wanted to get all the structural stuff welded on, and then I'm gonna put the car on the rotisserie. Then we can take off the front rear suspension, and yeah, that'll be another video. Super excited to get this thing in the air and then get it all sandblasted.